Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today we're going to talk about the Lenovo Yoga 720. Now the machine is priced at a whopping 1,09,990 rupees. Yes, it does cross a lakh, and it is a successor with a touchscreen to the Lenovo IdeaPad 720S. Now with the touchscreen and a few hardware changes, is this machine worth the asking price? Well, we're about to find out. Starting with the build and design, the Yoga 720 weighs just 1.3 kilos and is just as portable as its predecessor. It uses an aluminum shell which is not just sturdy but is this soft gold color that looks quite pretty. The subtle chamfered edges, the slightly rounded corners, the all-glass front combine to give it an air of quality without being too blingy or sophisticated. Opening the back panel, we saw almost half of the machine is taken up by the battery, and the Intel Core i7 is being cooled by two rear exhaust fans and a dual heat pipe system. The PCI-based M.2 SSD is user replaceable, but the 8GB RAM is soldered on the motherboard itself. This can be an issue if you plan to upgrade the RAM in future. Also, keep in mind that opening the back will void the warranty of the laptop. The 13.3-inch display of the laptop has a Full HD resolution and is just as good as we saw last year and at par with its peers. The color fidelity is good and so are the viewing angles. That said, the glass display is a bit reflective under bright lighting conditions. The touch response is good as well, and there is support for Windows Ink. Lenovo does provide a stylus with the laptop which offers sketching capabilities, which are an added extra. As for I/O, we are not happy with the selection right away. You get a USB 3.0 Type A port on the right and two USB 3.0 Type C ports on the left. One of these supports Thunderbolt and one is used by the machine for charging. So if you want to connect an SD card, an Ethernet cable, or even more than one USB Type A cable, you will have to invest in dongles. If we talk about thin and light notebooks only, the best keyboard currently available to type on is the one used by the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. That said, HP's EliteBook 1030G2 came really close, and the keyboard on the Yoga 720 is not exactly far behind. The keyboard is tactile and comfortable to work on. Whether you use the machine for browsing the web or typing for long hours, the keyboard won't strain your fingers. All keys have a consistent and relatively good amount of travel. The touchpad is again just as good as the keyboard and quite smooth to use with Windows-based gestures. But at this price point, we expected a glass touchpad. The machine comes equipped with 8GB of RAM, which we think should now be the standard memory size for Windows laptops. It provides ample capacity for multitasking and allows browsers like Chrome to have a comfortable overhead. The 512GB PCI-based M.2 SSD offers incredible read and write speeds of 3028 Mbps and 1611.8 Mbps respectively. The two speakers on the bottom of this machine are fairly loud and offer a really good audio output. We didn't find any heating issues, as well as the twin fan cooling system does the job well. The fans do get loud under load, but the system never becomes uncomfortably hot to type on. And finally, we have the massive 43 Wh battery on this machine, which is basically half of the innards and provides almost a working day's worth of usage, which is about 9 to 10 hours. So all in all, the Lenovo Yoga 720 has a good display. Well, we would have liked it if it was a little brighter, but it has a good display. It has good overall performance and the typing experience is great too. You also get the bundled pen, so you can use the touchscreen if you are an artist or you just like to play around with the touchscreen. We would have liked it if Lenovo bundled a dongle that could actually have a few more accessories that you could connect to the laptop, and the lack of that is missed. When it comes to the weight, the laptop isn't really very heavy. It's competing with all the thin and lights out there, so the weight is acceptable. So overall, yes, this is a nice machine with a few shortcomings. You can always let us know what you thought of this video in the comment section below. If you liked it, you can hit the like button, and for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel.